Okay, so you've asked about the CPI Knowledge Center. We wanted to jump right in and give you a quick rundown, basically what it is and how it might actually help you get up to speed on financial literacy, especially, around private investments.
Exactly. Our goal here is pretty straightforward. Just explore this thing, see what's on offer for members, especially if you're looking to learn efficiently.
Right. So let's start with the basics. What is the CPI Knowledge Center, fundamentally?
Well, think of it as the main learning spot for CPIN, the Closed Private Investment Network. It's basically a library they've put together online.
A curated library, right?
Well,
With lessons, courses, tools, too, I think.
yeah, lessons, courses, tools, all accessible for members at www.thebnic.com/KIC. And it's built on what they call a learning management system.
Ah, an LMS, like universities use for online classes.
Pretty much, yeah. It's designed specifically for delivering and tracking learning. And the main point seems to be helping members become, more sophisticated investors.
Which connects directly back to you, listening, if your goal is getting knowledgeable quickly, efficiently. This seems tailored.
It does. And there's another angle, too, isn't there? Something about regulations.
Uh-huh. It seems part of it is about meeting certain SEC requirements, for investor education under specific exemptions, like 4A2.
Okay, so it serves a compliance purpose, too.
Right, which actually kind of benefits the members indirectly, suggests as a certain standard. Plus, they mention it helps the whole CPIN community grow stronger if everyone's more informed. Makes sense.
It really does. So what kind of learning are we talking about? What subjects?
They've got different levels. There's a beginner category, which they say is free.
Free is always good.
Definitely. And then they have intermediate and advanced courses that look like they're part of a paid offering.
And the topics, what are they covering?
Quite a range, actually. Things like real estate investing,
Right.
trust and estate planning, even fintech.
Oh, financial technology. That's obviously huge right now.
Yeah, understanding how tech is changing private deals could be really useful. And there's general business stuff, too. So you can kind of pick based on your interests.
So it's not just like reading dry PDFs all day. What's the actual learning like?
No, it seems more interactive. They mention self-paced video lessons you watch when you want.
Okay, videos are good.
And downloadable resources, practical tools you can actually use, not just theory.
That's useful. Anything else?
Yeah, quizzes and knowledge checks to make sure you're actually absorbing it, I guess.
Right. Reinforces the learning. That mix of video, tools, quizzes, it caters to different ways people learn, doesn't it?
Seems like it.
Source material says it comes from third-party experts and educators.
Ah, okay. So
Yeah.
specialists in their fields.
Looks like it. And they apparently tailor the content for CPIN members specifically. And there's an interesting model where these creators can earn revenue from the paid courses.
Which you'd hope incentivizes them to create really high-quality stuff.
That's likely the idea. So, okay, you decide to check it out. You log in. What's the platform like to use?
Smooth.
They emphasize it's user-friendly, supposed to work well whether you're on a computer, tablet, or your phone. Mobile responsive, they call it.
That's crucial these days.
Totally.
Yeah.
And you get your own dashboard, lets you track your progress, see what courses you started or finished.
Nice. Helps keep things organized. What about paying for those advanced
The
courses?
secure payment gateway is mentioned,
Yeah.
standard stuff, hopefully straightforward. And they also have tools for interaction,
Like what? Forums?
commenting and discussion tools, yeah. So you can talk about the content with other members, ask questions, builds that community feel, maybe.
Definitely.
Learning together, even online, can be powerful. So, okay, bottom line, how do you get in?
Simple enough. Go to the website, then just log in using your normal CPIN details.
Your existing username and password, no extra sign up.
Right. Once you're in, you can just browse around, check out the free beginner stuff, see what the paid courses look like.
So, stepping back a bit, what's the bigger picture here? What's CPIN trying to achieve with this knowledge center overall?
Well, the vision seems to be creating a more financially literate community overall, empowered members,
Makes sense. More knowledgeable investors probably make better decisions, which helps everyone in the network.
Exactly. They talk about fostering self-sufficient investment clubs within CPIN, creating a culture where learning is just ongoing, continuous.
And they want members involved in shaping it, too.
Yeah, they actually invite members to suggest new topics they want covered or even become content creators themselves if they have expertise.
Oh, interesting. So members can contribute content, too.
Seems like it. And they mentioned joining the Thursday member-only meetings as another way to get involved and discuss things.
That participation aspect really underlines the community focus.
Okay, so for you listening in, the key takeaway seems to be that the CPI Knowledge Center offers a pretty organized, accessible path to deepen your understanding of private investing and finance topics relevant to it. Absolutely, it's a dedicated resource. So maybe a final thought to leave you with. Considering those topics mentioned, real estate, fintech, trusts, business, which one right now feels like it holds the most immediate potential for your learning? What area could give you the biggest boost?